Hi friends, today we will discuss about sound of X. X can make 6 different sounds, but commonly used sound of X are 3. First one is X. When X comes at the end of the word, the sound is X. Ba-o, X. Fa-o, X. Ja-o, X. Okay. When X comes between vowel and consonant, the sound remains same. X. Extra, extra, expert, expert, explain, explain. When X come between two vowels, the sound is changed. The sound is gz, ax, it, exit, exam, exam, examine, examine.